bread?
Yeah, Filipino bread. 2 real, 3.
No worries. You can hold the mic. It's audible. It will be audible. Introduce yourself and your business. Tell a little bit about it, and then I will ask you the question.
Okay.
Okay? You can start.
Hello everyone, welcome. This is a kitchen. So basically we are a home-based business. We're catering orders through online and on our Instagram, TikTok and Facebook pages. It's usually so all the postings, especially the baking, it's made from it. So basically it's all homemade pastries and cakes.
All right.
It helps small like business when they are starting. You know, this usually the starting point is it's the very hard part, because you know when you establish customer, it will go like smoothly, but at the beginning it will be hard. So supports like this from the government helps, you know, expose those small businesses and gain more markets, and a little we are.
Then write your name also.
Okay.
Yeah. Come a little friend. The light is. Thank you. Yes, we have Instagram.
What is your Instagram?
Gulf Times.
Bali,
Meron pa dyan. Marami pong kala dyan. Meron na tubig. Pwede o.
kasi talaga siya dingit at busy. Tayo, lagay ko na.
Sorry.
How many piece?